Everyone, it's Magasan Fjord, and today I will show you a review of Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge running on the latest Android device, which is Android 7.0. And so this is how the device looks. It's a brand new, which I bought yesterday. So we see here the Android version 7.0. Okay, so we clearly see that this is the latest Android device, and so this is the model, and also the security patch level is on the February 1st. So we can clearly see the model number here as well. And let's get into the main menu. This is how the device looks when you're entering the device on the main menu. So if we swipe just on the center, on the home, it looks like this. And if we swipe left, so that's a briefing. You can start reading. Okay, great. So also the OK Google works pretty nice. We can just get started and finish talk later. Okay, and then so let's head into the notification bar, which is not so much changed, but still there are more new interesting features. And if, for example, swipe that, so usually if for the first time you have to swipe from this, and it's basically looks that no much differences here. The Wi-Fi working well, the location as well is working. So if you just click on that, and it simply works. The sound, vibrate, mute, and sound. The portrait, auto rate. Okay. Bluetooth is turned on, mobile data, which is 4G. Then power saving. Power saving has interesting new features, like you can customize that, and medium power saving mode now, which is now, so it's not now, but if we can apply that, so you will be, the battery will extend your to 10 hours and 26 minutes. And so this is how the things can be customized, and we can customize and we can check everything here. So background always on display, speed limiter, so we can also limit the CPU power speed, and then decrease brightness, and everything can be done just here. So okay, let's head into more things. So the flight mode works really nice. I can show you, and that's all. So that's basically a flight mode. And okay, let's turn it off. Then performance mode, blue light filter. So that's used usually on the time when it's dark. So when it's already, so you already see that, oh, even software update shows when I turned on the Wi-Fi. So it was quickly, the Wi-Fi was turned on, and software update. So performance mode, which is also might be very interesting thing to show. Okay, let's. So I turn the performance mode. Okay, so that's simply also things can be applied, some things, and also customized. We'll click on the customize, so we can see here the screen resolution and all the other things. So blue light filter, if we turn on, so we can see that the colors becoming good for if you watch that on the evening or dark time. So let's turn it off, and then the torch, mobile hotspot, and then we here have some more interesting things, which is smart view, phone visibility, do not disturb, NFC sync, and always on display. So also there is very interesting feature that was established and did is search phone and scan for nearby devices. So we can just type that and, for example, search for the contacts. Okay, this is what I've been searching before. So we click on the contacts, we see the application, which is contacts. Also, we can swipe further for settings, quick dial, smart switch, Galaxy applications as well, and web search. So search using Google. If you click on that, so it will search. So basically click that and it searches that. So we'll get back. And for example, let's try to talk. Camera. Okay, so I found quite fast. We see the applications, which is camera. Okay, so okay, now we see also settings, the Galaxy offers, and as well web search. So that's basically a very interesting feature to have, because it has been a lot of time on the iPhone, and which is now on the Samsung Galaxy, and it's just from the bar, and it was before as well, but this is, I find, really interesting, working really well. So we can also customize the Finder settings, so show suggestion cards and suggest apps, suggest people, nearby devices, clear. Okay, we can clear this. Okay, so it's working pretty well, but when you can also try to like turn on the camera. So if you click on that, turn the camera, and you will see that it will not turn the camera. So I think there is some special phrase for that. But anyway, this thing is working really nice, and I'm really satisfied with that. So also, okay, Google works well. Yeah, it works well. Okay, and it's pretty fast. I don't know what to say. It's really fast. So basically, this is for the notification bar, and we can see the options, connections, so phone visibility, Bluetooth. So basically not so much changed, but for example, looking for something else, a Samsung Cloud, which I didn't see before on Samsung Galaxy S6, running on the previous software version. So sounds and vibration. Okay, so basically that's it. Nothing much different here. Notifications. Okay, we can select which notifications we want to use, and for example, you just click on that, and it's either turned on or turned off. And also this is advanced notification settings. So here, yes, you have the possibility to how to show that. For example, show silently, lock on screen, show contact or hide contact, do not show notifications, set as priority, and other features. So that's pretty awesome. And we can get back just by clicking on that button. So that's it about notifications. Then the display, blue light filter, so reduce eye strain by limiting the amount of blue light emitted by the screen. So basically that's used on the dark time. And here's the screen resolution. When I updated the device, it was just selected on this stage, but I click on that one just to make everything very nice and usable. And we can also like make to the very low. Okay, and I can see some pixels. So now it's pixelated. If you want to show it, so that's really pixelated. You can clearly see that. And if you turned, so I just click on that button, and if we, for example, change the screen resolution to the highest one. Okay, let's just try to zoom as much as possible, and it's barely seen that it's pixelated. It's from the very high distance, very good distance. So okay, so that display. Then we can easy mode. We can check on the easy mode and just use that like this. Okay. Night clock, LED indicator, status bar, screensaver. Wow. and looking for something else. Also, this suggestion is very interesting. So smart stay. Wow. That's pretty awesome. Video enhancer. Language input. That's really fast, but you can as well find that everything just clicking here or telling when you click on that button. So that's nothing new. And then wallpaper. The selection is pretty nice. And advanced features. Okay, game launcher, game tools, one-handed mode. Of course, we will take that. And pretty nice interesting things, and also smart to capture. Oh, this is the gestures, I think, direct calls, smart alert. Okay, applications. Click on that, you can customize everything. So basically it works really fluently. I can tell you it works really nice, and I'm really satisfied with that. And a user manual, I can see. And also let's do the only one, and this is also very interesting thing. Like the notifications here, you can clearly see that like the software update and the content here. So also like in Russian here is seen that to update everything. So let's check on that. Okay, I'll not show them at. Okay, so it's updating, and it's updating really fast, I would say, but my Wi-Fi is not so fast these days. So basically that's it. And when I change to the, and you can see that that it's really, those are quite big, those labels. So and let's get into applications. So this is how it looks when we click on the applications. And also search for apps, you can as well do that, like calculator. Okay, now you see. So that's pretty awesome thing to have. It's really nice. And okay. So also the camera, maybe I didn't show that to you. So this is the camera, how it looks like. And also the features. I'll show you that quickly because I want to make a benchmark test for the device so that you will be able to make some. So this is how the possibilities of the picture size as well. Also the saving, I think, save raw and JPEG, and the front camera as well. Okay. Okay, some maybe quick things to show. Okay, so let it be. Okay, that's a pretty awesome thing, and let's take a photo. Okay, maybe I will show. Just I need to take that, and for example. Okay, great. And if I film, so it films on the full screen. So that's pretty, and it looks really nice. The quality is extremely nice. Okay, so that's it. And basically let's show the benchmark test, the first benchmark. So let's see how it works. Let's just, okay, Nougat launcher, which I already have. So let's say benchmark. Okay. All right, didn't work, so I will just type that benchmark. So let's try few benchmarks, which is first of all is Antutu benchmark, and as well a Geekbench 4. So mind that this is a new device and it should work really fluently, no unuseful apps. Some apps I just had to disable because I don't use them, and that's it. So also like this is how it looks like. This is the phone. Okay, don't show the phones, but basically that's it. And also the Chrome. Let's see how it works. So let's try like GSM Arena. And let's turn it on. So it works really fluently and fastly. Okay, so first things should appear soon. Okay, AnTuTu benchmark is already here, but we have to wait for a few more to install. Okay, Geekbench 4. Okay. Permissions, we have to turn it all the permissions here. Okay, the things to download more. And while it's being done, we'll check soon the Geekbench, so stay tuned. And also I will quickly show how the contacts look like, how I wanna just it swipes really fast, and if I want to add a contact, so just simply it's SIM full card is okay. So basically that's it, and I will soon show you more things. So messages as well look pretty much the same, and just if we want to write something, so it just writes very fastly. Okay, great. So let's clear it all and AnTuTu benchmark. Okay, and then let's try this device. Okay. Okay, I will just this is how the device looks on the bright day. So it looks pretty awesome. Still, it has very nice brightness. And if, for example, we just try on the dark side, so it looks really, really nice. My camera don't catch everything, so okay. So what else can I say? This device is really nice and also fits into SVU. Oh, just a second. Okay, now off-screen rendering. Okay, I need to. Okay, let's do one more test. So Geekbench. So we see here the system, CPU, and run full benchmark and compute. Okay. And we're running on the full resolution here. So let's run the test. Hope it will be quite fast. And I'm sorry for that previous test. I will run that again. And I will just pause this video. Okay, so this almost went to the end. Bench 4, updating results. Okay, we see the single core score 1116 and a multi-core score 5503. I also have the scores Geekbench on my previous videos 1 year ago, so you will be able to see the benchmark test on the previous version. And also here's some information for that. Okay. and mind that it was running on the highest resolution. Single core information. That's the comparison, I see. Wow, Samsung Galaxy S7 runs